Hello everyone. We are students from Artificial Intelligence and Data Science Department. We are here to illustrate our project Crime Data Analysis. We have four datasets, namely fraud, rape cases dataset, human rights violation dataset, and finally kidnapping dataset. First we come to fraud dataset. Here we have segregated the state names and in the columns like loss of property from 1 to 10 crores, loss of property from 10 to 25 crores, loss of property from 25 to 50 crores, loss of property from 50 to 100 crores, and loss of property above 100 crores. In the next sheet, we have shown you the pivot chart and pivot table of loss of property from 1 to 10 crores. And in the next sheet, we have shown you the loss of property between 25 to 50 crores. And in the next sheet, we have shown you the loss of property above 100 crores. And if we come to the next sheet, we have shown you the loss of property between 10 to 25 crores and the fraud happened in India during 2001. Next, we come to rape case dataset. Here, we have state-wise segregation and the column-wise segregation of years, and we have the total here. In the next sheet, we have pivot chart and pivot table of the rape cases reported in 2010. In the next sheet, we have top 10 states which reported rape cases. In this sheet, we have segregated the age-wise victims. In this sheet, we have segregated 18 to 30 years victims year-wise, and we have the total here. In this sheet, we have rape cases reported in Pondicherry from 2001 to 2010, and we have year-wise, age-wise segregation. This sheet shows the report of rape cases, and this is the final report of rape cases. And next, we come to human rights violation dataset. In this sheet, we have state-wise segregation and policemen charge sheeted and policemen convicted, and here are the total. In this sheet, we have police convicted year-wise and we have the total here. In this sheet, we have police convicted pivot chart and pivot table from year-wise, and that is we have from 2005 to 2010. In this sheet, we have policemen charge sheeted here-wise and we have the total of police charge sheeted here. Here we have pivot chart and pivot table of police charge sheeted. And finally, we have cases under human rights violation. We have cases from 2001 to 2010 and we have the total here. Next, we have pivot chart and pivot table of human rights violation cases. And finally, we come to kidnapping dataset. In this sheet, we have separate states and we have segregated females age-wise and males age-wise, and we have the total of kidnaps here. In this sheet, we have charts for male, female, and age-wise kidnaps in states. Here, we have various reasons for kidnapping. We have segregated here-wise from that is from 2001 to 2010, and we have the total here. We have created a chart for the above table. In this sheet, we have pivot chart and pivot table for kidnaps happened in 2005. In 2005, kidnapping for marriage is the highest. In this sheet, we have state-wise and year-wise segregation and we have the total number of kidnaps here. And that's it we have for kidnap. And finally, we arrive to our dashboard. And this is our dashboard. Let us start from fraud dataset. In fraud data analysis, we have inserted all the pivot charts and pivot tables that we created in the raw data. Here, we have used slicers to segregate separate values. Example, if we want Bihar's list, we click on Bihar. This shows fraud happened in Bihar from 2001 to 2010 and a grand total. Then we come to rape data analysis. Here, we have inserted all the pivot charts and pivot table in this sheet. We have inserted slices to segregate separate values, separate stats. Example, if you want Maharashtra stats, click on Maharashtra. It shows the Maharashtra value. And that's it for rape data analysis. Then we come to human rights violation data analysis. Here we have police convicted, police charge sheeted, and cases under HRV. We inserted all the pivot table and pivot charts here. And that's it about human rights violation data analysis. Next we come to kidnap data analysis. We have kidnapped for males and females. We have segregated males, females, and the age-wise segregation of kidnaps. We have inserted all the pivot charts and pivot tables here, and we also used slices. And that's it about kidnap data analysis. And this is all about our dashboard. And thank you for watching. If you want to see our Excel worksheet, we will attach it in description.